Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to download and install LM Studio on your Windows laptop or PC. LM Studio lets you run powerful AI models offline, directly on your computer. Let's jump right into it. First, open your favorite web browser and go to the official LM Studio website, lmstudio.ai. Once you're on the homepage, click the button that says Download for Windows. The installer file will begin downloading automatically. When the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the installer file. A setup window will appear. Click Next. Choose where you want LM Studio to be installed and then click Install. Wait a few moments while the installation finishes. Once it's done, click Finish to launch LM Studio for the first time. When LM Studio opens, you'll see the main interface where you can explore different AI models. To install a model, go to the model library, choose the model you want, for example, Meta Llama 3, and click Download. After the download completes, click Run, and you'll be able to chat with the model right inside the app. Everything runs locally on your PC. And that's it. You've successfully installed LM Studio on your Windows computer, and you're now ready to try out powerful offline AI.